still so crazy that people watch these. So thanks for coming along, and I will see you real soon for the next vlog series, which I'm sure will be sooner than we all think.
Growing up is just a drown. Growing up is just a drown.
7:43 a.m. on the last day of our trip, the 10th of April. Sorry, just having a stretch, you know how it goes. Wearing my new jumper that I got, that's 50% off. Ooh. I just wanted to show you something that I found in the bathroom the other day. It's the tissue dispenser, and above it is Sneezy.
What?
Oh my god, why isn't it focusing? Hold on. There we go. Look.
That's cute.
And then all around the mirror are the dwarves. So there's Dark. I don't know which one that one is. That might actually be Sneezy or Bashful or someone. That one's Happy for Joel. Oh, is it? I don't know who that is. It's Snow White. I don't know which one that one is. That one's Grumpy. That one's Sleepy. And obviously that's Dopey. Some of them look a bit similar. Anyway, we're just checking the last minute spots, see if we've left anything behind, and then we're gonna go. Sad. So I was using my Mikey as the room key holder situation. I can't forget that. I'm gonna need her Saturday to go to work. The lobby's so beautiful, empty. Our Uber driver is like a minute away, so I gotta stop staring and we gotta go, huh? Okay, we found this baggage weighing scale. It's very fancy.
I love that.
So our bags need to be 23. I'm just gonna click reset. Oh, maybe you can't. Maybe that's it.
Alright, so just say off point. Oh, you're good.
Oh, sweet!
You are good.
Love
Alright.
it. Because we're gonna take off 0.4, so I'm 22.9.
Nine.
Nice. That's so good. You'll be good too. Everything we bought is light. Oh, we are.
We're so good.
We're so good.
We're so good.
We're supreme travelers.
Yeah, we knew the exact amount to buy.
Yeah, we bought exactly the
buy
correct
more.
amount. Yeah, well, that'll be carry on. Won't it? Yeah.
Oh wait, what? No, press to see.
What are you doing?
I'm confused. Will I have a...
Yeah, your QR code.
Yeah.
Why would you not think of that?
I don't know.
How did it know that?
I didn't know what. Bye bag.
Hong Kong to Melbourne. Wow. See on the other side, all my Disney stuff. Place your heaviest bag on the aisle bench first. Why would you place it that way? You have to scan the tag. It's so interesting. Why do we gotta look at the camera? Confirm. Confirm. What? Because it scans your face. This is some facial recognition type business. You shouldn't have done it that way.
I know.
Can you scan the sticker, or is that not the right sticker? Unstable bag weight measured. Please remove the bag.
Which one is it?
Just scan any of them. Oh, we're at 25 kilos, not 23.
Huh?
We didn't need to be worried. There's a Harry Potter gift shop, a Sanrio gift shop, and then over here is the Hong Kong Disneyland little gift shop. This is before we leave, before departures. It's near gate F. So we're in the Disney store through the departure gate and they do not have her shirt or my jumper, but that's fine. Wasn't meant to be, I suppose. They've had to open all the mystery pins through security, I think, for the airport. So each mystery pack is like cling wrapped the 2 pins that are in the boxes. That's so crazy. That's so random. But then these ones aren't over here, so I'm confused by it. I don't know why they've done it. Interesting choices. Guys, they're right. This is the most magical show on earth. Reignite the magic. Yeah. Oh, food ordering service.
I just want to see where they are. Wow.
Oh, you want Popeyes, don't you?
I know that's downstairs.
Oh.
Let's go. Let's try it.
Okay.
I think we're on level 7.
We're on level 7? Alright. This Maccas looks insane. Looks nuts. Okay, less impressive. That wasn't just a Maccas entrance. It's like to a little food court that has Western foods and fast food and local cuisine. So, anticlimactic. But that's fine. We're getting fries. Okay, we're not getting fries. We're not getting fries. They don't have fries this time of day. It's their weird breakfast menu. And I say weird because they have some weird selections. We'll show you. Okay, show them the weird selections. They've got sausage and egg twisty pasta with chicken broth. Twisty pasta for breakfast. And then they have like a fillet of fish. I'm getting this ham and cheeseburger. Katie's getting a regular sausage McMuffin. Oh, Katie, you're so backlit. But we got orange juice and we both got one. Oh my god, wait.
So small.
So we got orange juice and I ordered the XL because I was like, I want heaps. And Katie's ordered the regular and it's so small.
I didn't even realize how small.
Like, that's it in my hand. That is the tiniest little juice I've ever seen. But who's this guy? And why is he so cute? He's very, very cute.
That's yours.
It's literally just a ham patty with some cheese. I think I'm going to want to put my hash brown inside it, but... It's kind of just like a ham steak in a really soft burger. Got a hash brown. That's the only way to do it. I haven't had hotcakes in forever. I was just really craving them. Oh yeah. We just hiked to the ends of the earth so Katie could get a flat white.
Well, I also wanted to check if they had
a blink cup. She's not been successful with her blink cup hunt.
I just can't believe it, okay? Because I always see online the ones that they have in China are the best. And they didn't have any.
Maybe Hong Kong doesn't get them.
Well, it does.
You know for a fact?
Kind of, maybe. I don't know.
It's alright, we'll just plan a trip to Shanghai.
Yeah, easy.
And Beijing.
Easy.
Universal and Disney. Let's go.
More flashbacks this time.
Hold on, one moment. We're so confused by why this airport has 530 gates. Like, what?
Too many.
How many flights are going out of here a day? We must look this up.
Yeah, there must be heaps.
I mean, there probably is. But like 530 seems excessive.
I think because it's like the central airport for Cathay Pacific, like any flight you get from Cathay Pacific comes here.
Like in New Zealand, I suppose.
Yeah.
But 530 gates? Come on now.
Ridiculous.
Weird. Man, I got that big pimple's huge. Look at it. The patch made it worse.
But that's good.
Well,
It's drawing it out.
I'm going to put another patch on for the flight. What I was actually coming here to say is that we're using the travelators because we have to walk to the ends of the earth again to actually get to our gate. I think we're at gate 37, but I don't know for sure.
34.
Oh. We're about to find out. Yeah, we'll figure it out. CX163 to Melbourne, gate 34. TripAdvisor have like stores here, and it's very confusing. I thought they were just a website, you know? where I look up if my hotel is good or not. Because that's what we do every time. Look up our hotels. Yeah, walkable. I need 100 out of 100 for walkable.
And is it got a lot of 5-star reviews? And like, it's not just, is it majority 5 stars? Is it like thousands of 5 stars?
Yeah.
It's only like 5-star reviews.
No.
Out of like 8 total reviews. Not sure about that. Ooh.
Sweet Dreams by Heinemann. Katie, show everybody your new bag charm.
Sorry, I just had to big smoke in this shot.
Wait, you're so backlit. There we go, there she is.
Stella.
And I got a tiny little, oops, I almost dropped her. A tiny little Lena Bell. Why can't it focus on her? Like, why? She's just right there.
Tap her instead of the
There
camera.
she is. I got a tiny little Lena Bell for my backpack. She's so cute. These gates are crazy. So when we dumped our bag, I was like, why is it taking our photo? Well, it takes our photo because it scans us every time through every checkpoint.
Yeah.
We haven't had to show our passport or scan our boarding pass.
So weird.
They were just like, yeah, come on through. Okay. I mean, we scanned our passport at the start.
Yeah.
But anyway, let's board. Let's go home, I suppose. Hello. The other side? This was not on the plane on the way over because I specifically looked for it, and it is on the plane now, and that makes me very happy. I will be watching it. I like that it says cast. Angori Rice. What's her name? Angori?
Angori Rice.
And John Hamm. John Hamm is in it for like 2 seconds. That's such a weird listing. It's not even like the Tina Fey's not listed.
Yeah.
Weird. Katie got the beef. Let's see it. Beef and mushrooms and bean. Yes, please. And I got the chicken and rice. Oh, hot. Ooh, chicken and rice. It's real cutlery. It's real proper cutlery. And this is everything. There's some ice cream in there. So when you land in Melbourne Airport, at the moment they're doing construction, so there's not that many e-passport kiosks at the moment. So there are 2 close to the gate. Okay, bye. There are 2 close to the gate, but then there's a bunch down there, and the lines down there are always so long. Learned that in Japan, so we're using these ones. And just like that, another Disney vlog series is done. I'm standing here because I'm about to film my haul. It's a couple of days after I've got home and gone back to work. And I'm just about to film the haul. So thank you so much to everybody who's watched, and thank you for all your lovely messages during the trip, and I'm sure during the vlogs as well. Still so crazy that people watch these, so thanks for coming along, and I will see you real soon for the next vlog series, which I'm sure will be sooner than we all think. If you'd like to, you can subscribe to my channel. You can follow me over on Instagram at the same name, Lizzie Mouse, and TikTok, Lizzie Mouse as well. I'm a bit more active on there these days. But that's it for this vlog series, so see you real soon. Bye!